So we are dropping her off, changing springs, wheels, and then we are dropping her off in like 2-3 weeks for the turbos. But oh my god, she's gonna look nice. Alright, so it is raining. We are at Nick's. I know the lighting is pretty bad, but the new wheels are on, new tires are on. It's on the new suspension. It's sitting higher. Woo. Look at that. Oh my god. Whew. And we got the C43. Slow. Sounds nice too. You need tents.
I'm going.
And you gotta, I don't know, maybe switch your wheels.
I'm just gonna black them out. I like them.
Yeah?
I personally like them.
Black would look good on there, honestly. But, that is sexy. So, this is the end of this video. I just wanted to show you guys how she looks after the new springs are on, the new wheels and tires, and wow. But, yeah. Woo. All right, no more.